In this video, I will explain how to download and install the multilingual static analysis tool, MLSA. The instructions for how to install MLSA can be found on MLSA's TWiki page. The page also contains other helpful documentation on MLSA. You can find a detailed explanation of the MLSA pipeline and documentation on known limitations and other future endeavors. For now, we're going to focus on the installation page. There are a few prerequisites that need to be installed before you can clone MLSA. Clang 3.8 is used to create the C and C++ AST. On Linux, you can install Clang by just typing sudo apt-get install Clang 3.8 into the command line. Python 2.7 is also required. Python's built-in AST library is used to create the Python AST. Simply type sudo apt-get install Python in your command line to install Python. Another prerequisite is SpiderMonkey 24. SpiderMonkey produces the JavaScript AST. Install SpiderMonkey by typing sudo apt-get install libmozjs-24-bin into the command line. The final requirement is Graphiz 2.38. Graphiz is used to create the resulting call graph. To install Graphiz on a Linux machine, type the command sudo apt-get install Graphiz in the terminal. The next step is to clone the MLSA repository. There is a link to the MLSA GitHub page and the TWiki installation instructions. On the GitHub page, click on the button that says Clone or Download. An HTTP address will pop up. Make sure to copy the address so that you do not have to type it out later on. In order to clone the repository, you need to type into the command line git clone along with the address you just copied from the GitHub page. This will add the folder MLSA to your home directory, which will include all the MLSA files. We suggest adding MLSA to your path. We have provided a script that you can run just to do so. Go into the MLSA folder and type source mlsapath.bash into the command line. And now MLSA is officially installed. Check out our next video to learn how to test MLSA to make sure it is installed correctly.